Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can access or install your Google Play Store on your TCL Smart TV. So if you want to install the Play Store, you can simply go to the apps on the top. You can navigate by remote on the apps, and as you can see, this is my Google Play Store, and if I try to uninstall it, it cannot be uninstalled because the smart TVs and Android TVs, they are based on Google, and the Play Store, it always comes pre-installed. You don't have to install it. If you cannot find Google Play Store in these apps, what you can simply do is you can go to the top right corner in the settings right here, and you can navigate towards apps. From here you can find your Google Play Store in your apps, as you can see, and you can open it and then click open from right here, and you will be able to access your Google Play Store on your TCL Smart TV. So I hope it was helpful and it solved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.